Let us see how we can use the concept of authorization groups to protect access to table data. SAP standard tables are assigned to authorization groups. Now there are tables which are the SAP comes with tables which are already assigned to groups depending on the business area or the application area, or there are many tables which are not assigned to any group. Now, the tables that are assigned to authorization groups, the standard tables, you can change those assignments if you want. Now, an authorization group is a table authorization group is a grouping of related tables. And using the object s underscore ta taboo underscore dis, you can control access to tables belonging to a particular authorization group or groups. If needed, you can change the default authorization group to a custom authorization group. Why would you want to do this? For example, a table which contains a confidential data, which is part of a standard authorization group, which means that group will have many other tables in it. So if you give access to that particular group, then along with the confidential data, along with the other tables, you also give access to the table which contains confidential information and which you wouldn't probably want. So in such a case, you can change the authorization group for only that table to a custom authorization group. So even if you give access to the standard authorization group, the table which contains the confidential data will not be part of that access anymore. Now, the authorization group concept has a loophole, which is the tables which are not assigned to any group, authorization group, the users still have access to such tables, and such tables are considered to be belonging to the authorization group ampersand NC ampersand. The authorization object s underscore taboo underscore dis controls only complete accesses which are made using the standard table maintenance transactions such as SM31s, as advanced table maintenance transactions such as SM30, or the data browser transaction which is SS16. Now the group assignments are defined in the table TD DAT. So the table TD DAT stores the table to table authorization groups relationship. The table authorization groups are created and assigned to tables using the transaction SA54. So if you want to create your own custom transaction authorization group, or you want to assign an authorization group to a table, whether it's your custom table or it's a SAP standard table to which you want to assign an authorization group, you need to use the transaction SA54. Now when you use SA54, the view v underscore ddat is maintained. So either you can use SM54, the transaction AC54 to maintain the authorization groups, or you can maintain this view v underscore ddat using the transaction SM30 to create or assign authorization groups to tables. The table to authorization group assignment is defined in the table TDDAT, and the view for this is v underscore ddat. Now, the table TBRG contains the list of tables related authorization groups. So the authorization groups that you create using SE54 are stored in TBRG. The authorization groups that you assign to tables using SE54, that relationship, it's stored in TDDAT. So TBRG contains the list of tables, tables related authorization groups. You can maintain this list by using the transaction SM30 with the view v underscore BRG. So either use SE54, the transaction SE54, to create and assign authorization groups to the tables, or you can use the related views, such as to maintain the relationship between tables and authorization group, you can use the view v underscore DDAT with the transaction SM30, or you can use SM30 transaction and maintain the view v underscore BRG to create the authorization groups for tables. So the concept of authorization groups is to give access to tables belonging to a particular group instead of giving access to all the tables in the SAP system. But this concept has a loophole in the sense that if a table is not assigned to any group, the users can view the data from those tables also. But the beauty about this thing is still is you can still the tables are limited, and the access to the tables in the systems are limited. But again, the problem with this is it still does not take away the performance related issue, the data integrated related issue. If the object s underscore taboo underscore dis is not properly controlled.